We are almost getting ready for this video. Check if there's a control panel. I need to check the microphone, which I have. You know what? Whatever. Let's go to sound. Hello, hello, hello. So my microphone is working by the headphones. Launch PowerPoint. It might take some time as compared to the Office 2010. We are now going to start the second video of our Microsoft certification. Let the presentation load. Let's start. Oh yes, it is asking for. You have 3 days left to activate this office. I did not activate it. But anyway, let's start. Hello everyone, and welcome to this module of the Microsoft Certification 7680 training course. And today we will be studying the installation sources needed to install Windows 7. This does come from our requirements for 7680, which we will be configuring Microsoft Windows 7. And we are in the first section, obviously the first chapter, installing, upgrading, and migrating to Windows 7, which is 14%, and we're going to perform a clean installation. What to do? Source 1. Installing from DVDROM. This is one of the most common installation sources. And yeah, of course, now this is one of the most common installation sources. Many people around the world use the CD-ROM. The downloadable version sometimes is available. And it comes in an ISO format, International Organization for Standardization, as far as I remember. It is, however, useful for installing Windows 7 on a small number of workstations. Well, the problem is that this does not scale very well, as with the other USBs, with other Windows 7 out there, sometimes happens when your computer gets in a widescreen or everything gets super wide. Well, that is not a good sign if you want to install from DVD-ROM, and sometimes it does scale really well. Source number 2, USB flash drive. So you could use a memory stick or a hard drive, etc. And yes, this is also really useful and portable when the DVD drive is not available. And it is also twice as fast as a DVD. You can update the installation files or add other drivers, and it needs at least 4 gigabytes of space. It doesn't scale very well either, but however, the bottom mentioned point is, of course, very useful and portable. Now, first thing, for a USB drive and a CD drive, however, you need to initialize this drive, a USB disk, for installing an operating system. What that means is that your USB should be bootable by the operating system. So you can run this part by going to Start menu and typing command prompt in the search bar. But you have to be an administrator, and since I'm a standard user, so I cannot initialize a USB disk. But my administrator can initialize a USB disk. Well, for this, you need to use Windows Vista or 7. Right now, I'm running Windows 8.1, as you saw. But anyway, we need elevated permissions because an administrator can only initialize a USB disk in order for installing Windows 7. Source number 3, network share. Well, however, this is also an example, I mean that you don't want to go around an office carrying a CD and a USB flash drive. There's also another source which you can do by a network share. Copy the installation Windows 7 installation media to a share. But the biggest problem is when you want to install Windows 7, how will this network share help you? Well, you can boot with the Windows pre-installation environment. Well, Windows PE, it is abbreviated Windows PE, is the bare bones of Windows. But the problem is it still doesn't scale very well. But the centralized Windows installation media can be easily updated. Windows PE is also useful for diagnostics. You can of course get Windows PE absolutely free from Microsoft from the Windows AIK, as Windows PE is a utility for Windows AIK, which is the automated installation kit, as it is abbreviated as AIK. Source number 4, Windows Deployment Services. It is also abbreviated as WDS. However, this is a automated deployment, as you can install Windows 7 on many computers, thousands, hundreds, 100,000 computers simultaneously. It does, however, require network. It does require Windows Server 2008 and Active Directory. Clients do need a network adapter supporting Pixie. Clients can also boot from a Discover image. It also, however, uses multicast. What that means, however, is that a user, for example, if I install many computers simultaneously, and this version, however, has an advantage, as this version also scales extremely well. Summary. As also mentioned in our last video, the Windows 7 versions, there's also a summary, and there will be a summary in the end of each video. So let's read out the summary. The most common installation source is by using a DVD-ROM to install Windows 7, as the most portable way to install Windows 7 is by a USB flash drive. We should always initialize a USB flash drive in order for it to be bootable by the operating system. If you install any operating system in your USB flash drive, you have to initialize a USB flash drive before downloading the operating system. We can install Windows 7 installation media to a share called as network share. Windows automated deployment is an automated deployment. Of course, you can, with this help of WDS, Windows Automated Deployment, you can install on many computers Windows 7 simultaneously. Thanks for watching. Please visit my website. I will be mentioning the link in the description below. As yes, of course, I will be. And you could also visit my website if you need further sources and stuff, whatever you need. You can visit my website. There is no problem. And you have to be also prepared for the next video, as we will be performing a clean installation. So anyway, I will be clicking images, I mean by fast tone capture, and I will be demonstrating you what happens in each installation part. And thank you for watching. And I'll see you again next time. Wait a minute. Wait, okay. Let me go into minimize, of course. Fast on capture, obviously.